In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Udemy course. Here's an important note right up front. On Udemy, students can't permanently delete a purchased or enrolled course from their account. The closest option is to archive it, which hides the course from your main learning list without removing your access. If your goal is simply to clean up your dashboard and get unwanted courses out of sight, archiving is exactly what you need. Let me show you how to do it smoothly. Start by signing into your Udemy account on a web browser. From the top navigation, open My Learning. This is your personal library where all your enrolled courses live. If you don't see it immediately, check the main menu near your profile icon. Depending on your screen size, it might be tucked into a drop-down. Once you're on the My Learning page, you'll see your courses displayed as tiles. Find the course you want to remove from your main view. Hover your mouse over that course tile to reveal the Options menu. Look for the three vertical dots, also known as the ellipsis or More menu. On mobile, this may appear as a small three-dot icon you can tap. Click the three dots to open the quick actions for that specific course. This menu is the control center for managing how the course appears in your library. From the menu, choose Archive. The moment you select Archive, Udemy will move the course out of your default My Learning list and into your archived area. You won't lose your progress, notes, or Q&A history. Everything stays intact. It's just hidden from your main view so your active courses can take center stage. A couple of helpful tips before we wrap up. If you change your mind later, you can unarchive a course at any time. Go back to My Learning, look for filters or the archived section, open it, and use the same three-dot menu on that course to bring it back. Archiving doesn't affect your ability to access the content, download resources, or complete certificates. It simply declutters your dashboard. If you have many courses, try the search bar first to quickly locate the one you want to archive, then use the three-dot menu as shown. That's all there is to it. By using the archive option, you keep your learning space organized without losing anything important. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep your library tidy by archiving any courses you're no longer actively taking.